Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a tutorial-ish kind of video. I'm in just regular house clothes. My base is pretty much done and my hair is drying, but brushes are ready to go. And I have my Colourpop eyeshadow palette that I want to use and incorporate for some of these JD Glow shadows. I have Galaxy, which are the bigger pots, and then the Multichromes. I think I'm just going to use one for today's look. I want to just go for it. So a full list of products for my face will be listed down below. I think I want to take, should I use a brown first? I feel like I should. So I'm going to take Labrynth. That's going to be in my crease-ish. On top of that, I need a lighter color. Let's do this orangey color. This is Koi. I'm just going to do one eye for now. Okay, I have this question. You guys are on YouTube right now, right? So you will be able to answer this question easily. Do you feel like YouTube has added 1,000 more ads to your watching experience? Like, where these ads come from all of a sudden? I can sit through some ads, you know, people, that's how people make money. That's how I get money off of YouTube. But this is just ridiculous at this point. It is ridiculous. So I don't know if you guys are aware, but with YouTube, at least if you're allowed to make money or AdSense from your videos, there's a feature in the YouTuber Studio where I think it has to be at least 10 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, where you can choose to place ads. It's not a guarantee that it's going to show up, but you can kind of pinpoint at what exact spot you'd like to place an ad in. And I do mine at the beginning of the video. That's it, no matter how long my videos are. Just one. So can you let me know if you see more than one? I'm all about, like, I will sit through your 2, maybe even 3 ads, but now there's so many. There's so many. I need to stop. It ruins the experience. And I'm not, you know, knocking on content creators because they might not be the ones doing it. Yeah, let me know about your experience with ads now. I'm overwhelmed. So I'm just applying this color into my crease, just slightly below where I placed that Koi color. So do I want a darker outer corner? I feel like I should because I think I'm gonna use the darker purple. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna use this dark brown purple shade, and this is Cloud 9. I'm just gonna put that, this little outer section here. Today is Thursday, August something, and tomorrow is the day I get my monthly visitor. TMI, I know, but there's a reason I said it, and it's because that's why I'm filming all of this in advance. Because when my visitor comes, oh, she takes over my life. Oh, smoky tail. You know what? I haven't been watching too much makeup content as of recently. I don't know if it's just like current climate that we're in. It just feels like there's other stuff, and more so like in your face, given that we're getting close to November. But yeah, I'm not consuming as much makeup content as I normally do. You know what I've been wanting like to do instead of watch makeup content? I've been wanting to like get into watching some movies. I really haven't watched many. I think the last thing I watched was a Kissing Booth 2. Ella and Noah are still together, spoiler alert. But I did finish the World's Toughest Prisons on Netflix. I love that series. I watched it since the first season. So good. I love that kind of stuff, like documentary, like in terms of like human interaction and just how the world operates about different things. So if it's like about food, they go to different places in the world. Those things fascinate me. I also love like documentaries on animals. I mean, Animal Planet, come on. It's an amazing thing, okay? But if you have recommendations for, I don't know, just good stuff to watch, maybe on Netflix. Possibly there's just so much content that you can look for on Netflix that sometimes it's a bit overwhelming. So if you have any good recommendations, let me know. I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but I'm tired of consuming news. I believe that you should be aware, but it should not run your whole life. I love the shimmer on this. This is the, I'm using it, I'm not even showing you what it is. This is the Galaxy Shadow in Plum from JD Glow. And I did use the blue one in like my try on. And this shade does have more like specks of glitter and is prone to a little bit more fallout. But the shade itself is beautiful. Like, look at that. I just feel like an elf. How this is gonna pair with the duochrome, I don't know, but we're gonna try. So this duochrome from, again, JD Glow is in a lot. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the shifts in that, but I'm pretty sure that your fingers work best, but I'm always curious if something is able to work with a brush, because I prefer to use a brush. I don't like getting my fingers dirty. Any of you been buying makeup lately? If so, what are your recent purchases? I'm genuinely curious. That's pretty. I wonder if I can blend it up a little bit. Can I diffuse this a little bit? I've said it 1,000 times since, even starting to incorporate color into my collection. I'm not a color person, but if I had to pick a color, purple is it. I could just live off of purple as my color choice. I don't use green all that often. I think that's my least favorite, probably in conjunction with blue. Bright pinks I can do. I can roll with yellow, orange, but purple is like that it's just, it's just good. 700s from Ardell. I'm loving these. And I don't want to use anything too dramatic, so I don't necessarily cover up everything that I just did. I have to go check the post office. Those of you that get your mail delivered, you're so lucky. Appreciate the fact that it's dropped off at your doorstep. Because here, you gotta go to the post office to pick up your packages. Everyone has a P.O. box here. Everybody. That's how you get mail. It doesn't get delivered to you. And sometimes that line will be the death of you. Oh, watch out now. It's always this eye. This corner, the inner corner, always gives me hell. Stay down, damn it. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix you. Might have totally just messed it up, but I don't care. I'm gonna stick this mother fudger down. Doable. So now I'm gonna do the other eye. I will come back and then we will finish off with the lips. Okay, bye. All right, guys, eyes are done. I am loving the way this looks. I'm gonna do some work on the lower lash line, but just a little bit. You guys know I don't like to do lower lash line work, but for this video we shall. Just a smidge. BH Stellar Lash. Take that Labrynth color, that mauve one, and just do a little bit of this. And then I'm going to take that duochrome, multichrome, and I'm going to apply that just right on the center. And mascara, lower lash line. Oh, that's chunky. I just wish my lower lashes I could just plop onto the top. I don't care if I have any on the bottom. Lips time. What should we do? Do I want lip liner? I don't even know if I want that. Should I do Shitake? Let's try that one and see how this goes. Should I lighten it up a little bit. Oh, I said I was gonna try Yash. Oh, that's good. Then lip oil on top, and then we shall fix plus. God, I love the way this feels. By the way, this is Colourpop's Dewdrop Lip Oil. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just a simple, fun, chit-chatty one. I'm feeling it, and I rarely feel color. So remember that a full list of products will be listed in the description box, as well as on my Instagram, where I put all of my makeup looks, along with all the products in its caption. So till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. Boom shaka waka, boom shaka waka, boom shaka waka.